TP-Link USB 3.0 wireless network adapters are compact network devices that can provide a computer with access to a wireless network. Our USB network adapters can be used in situations such as replacing a defective network card, adding wireless capability to a computer without it, or upgrading a computer's network functions to the latest technology. To set up, first download the latest driver from the TP-Link website. This is also the best resource to use to find out what OS or OS version an adapter may be compatible with. Once downloaded, you'll want to install the driver. Simply unpack the zip file and run the installer program. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Some OS may support plug-and-play default drivers, but it is always recommended to run the official driver. Once finished installing, you'll want to restart your computer. Or for Windows users, your driver installation should look like this. Now connect the adapter and raise the antenna. Now that you've completed setup, connect to a network and enjoy.